You already know your car's engine is the heart of your vehicle. But do you know what keeps that heart from overheating and failing? It's the cooling system. Without it, your engine would literally melt itself into a useless block of metal. But here's the thing. Most car owners completely ignore their cooling system until something goes wrong, and by that time, the damage is already expensive, or worse, permanent. So in this video, we're revealing the secret hacks that mechanics swear by to make your car's cooling system last forever. If you stick to these simple habits, your engine will thank you with years of smooth, reliable performance. And before we dive in, I have a quick request. Subscribing to our channel not only helps you learn amazing car tips and hacks like this, but it also supports me personally. I'm working toward completing YouTube's monetization criteria, so I can pay my college fees and continue creating helpful content for you. So if you hit that subscribe button today, you're not just helping yourself, you're also helping me achieve my dream. Thank you so much. Alright, let's get into it. Regular coolant flushes don't just top it off. Most people think topping off coolant is enough, but old coolant becomes acidic over time and honestly, it loses its ability to protect your radiator and water pump. Mechanics recommend a complete coolant flush every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. This keeps corrosion away, prevents clogging, and ensures maximum efficiency. Think of it like giving your cooling system fresh blood. It's what keeps everything alive and healthy. Always use the right coolant. Not all coolants are the same. Some are designed for specific metals and engines. Using the wrong type can actually eat away at seals, hoses, and radiators. So always check your car's manual and use the manufacturer recommended coolant. Check hoses for weak spots. Your hoses are like arteries. They move coolant through the engine. A weak or cracked hose can burst without warning, leaving you stranded on the side of the road with steam blowing out of your hood. Every oil change, squeeze your hoses gently. If they feel mushy, brittle, or swollen, replace them immediately. A $20 hose today can save you from a $3,000 repair tomorrow. Most drivers never think about their radiator cap. But, you know, this tiny, inexpensive part actually keeps your cooling system pressurized. If it's weak, coolant will boil at a lower temperature and, well, that can cause overheating. Mechanics recommend replacing your radiator cap every 5 years or sooner if you notice cracks or leaks. Your water pump is literally the heart of your cooling system. When it fails, your engine will overheat within minutes. Some signs of a failing water pump include coolant leaks, whining noises, or even steam coming from under the hood. Replacing it proactively when changing your timing belt can really save you money and honestly, prevent breakdowns. A radiator full of dirt, bugs, and debris just can't do its job properly. Every few months it's a good idea to spray it gently with a garden hose to remove buildup. But be careful not to bend the fins. For even better protection, you might want to consider installing a mesh screen in front of your radiator. It keeps rocks, bugs, and road debris from damaging the fins and reducing cooling efficiency. So watch the temperature gauge. Your dashboard is giving you warnings all the time. You just need to pay attention. If your temperature gauge starts climbing higher than normal, don't ignore it. Just pull over, shut the engine off, and let it cool. Driving even a few minutes with an overheating engine can cause head gasket failure, warped heads, or total engine death. Replace the thermostat when needed. Your thermostat regulates coolant flow. If it fails, your engine could run too hot or too cold, both of which are bad. Replace it every 50,000 miles or if you notice weird fluctuations in your temperature gauge. Never mix water and coolant blindly. Some people just pour tap water into their system when coolant is low. That's a big mistake. Tap water has minerals that cause scaling and rust inside your radiator. Always use distilled water if you need to mix it with coolant. Don't overload your car. Believe it or not, carrying too much weight or towing beyond your car's limits makes the cooling system work a whole lot harder. If you frequently tow heavy loads, you might want to consider adding a secondary transmission cooler to reduce stress on your system. Your car's cooling system is kinda like its life support. Treat it right, and it'll protect your engine for hundreds of thousands of miles. Ignore it though, and you could be looking at catastrophic engine damage. So if you want your cooling system to last, like forever, remember these hacks: flush your coolant, use the right type check hoses, and caps, maintain your radiator, and never ignore the signs of overheating. And before you go, please hit that subscribe button. Not only will you get access to more car-saving tips and mechanic-approved hacks, but you'll also be helping me reach my monetization goal so I can pay for college and keep making these videos for you. Your support really makes all the difference. Thanks for watching.